Aseo najai kina ebuku serere kanwa broken MP Bishop Patrick Okabe labu ilanyoni ngesi angetakin ido agiarai maraseta kanwa jenuni yeni telekari nansek berem asubito sasea kabala alosnente disi aseta chem konye abua kakesi apotu kere opedosi achakakin aseta keche nude omduto kesebe epote atubia Aseo nam apota pedosi aika makini kede Filipo ucho loka NRM Emmanuel Moding Okabe Lerai Obonipe Kosodi Alice Alaso Asianut Nako Alliance for National Transformation and Kejaiche Dam.
I clearly see the victory. The mood is very friendly. We could see the people really wanted to associate with our message. And for me, that is where the gist of the matter is. Government is already set, and what is only remaining is for us to get the conduct of the bus. And the bus is in steady progress towards securing the future of Ugandans. And what was missing in Serere was that conductor, and that conductor is myself. So I am more than optimistic that this is a clear victory for NRM myself. So I want to congratulate the people of Serere for having gone through a smooth, peaceful process of campaigning.
By the way, these people here, you see all these police and all these other people. I have been in the field. They are very busy protecting criminals. So when we are running after people with printed ballot papers, the police pick our people and leave the other ones to go. They even attempted to pick me. I told them first produce the law against which you want to arrest a candidate. So what is going on there is we have polling stations like Okure in Atira sub-county where every booklet is shot by 20 ballot papers, and we've raised that to the Electoral Commission.
I am not aware of any heavy deployment, but in any case, it should be a good thing, because then the deployment of security police is to keep law and order. We want to have a credible process, and a credible candidate comes out.
The questions have been raised about security presence, and we said that security is part of the electoral process, and we said that the electoral environment needs to be secured. So, and that's what we've seen around the constituency. It's very calm, it's peaceful. And when there is presence of security, one of the things it means, and from my years in experience in elections, is that you are sure you can leave home, go and vote, and come back without any interference. The town, the business continues as usual. So, but also the security is beefed up during by-elections like this, because there is concentration of support. People come from all over the country to come and show support for a candidate. So one of the reasons why security is heightened during by-elections is to make sure that the electoral environment is not overcrowded with unaccredited people who may even end up, we've seen it in previous exercises. Those are the very people who actually cause chaos during the process. So there is no, it's not to intimidate, but it is to protect, it is to secure the electoral environment. We speak right now, where we are here is the query desk or the complaints desk. This is where we get official complaints and queries.
Kedare utu nu deli mori Erionget Aseo kedaunu aimara setanu. Dilax Emi Alomu, Rebecca Amongin, Kanuka TV East.